Well, yeah, second day at college, not much has happened. I had a rather uneventful day of doing next to nothing, which is usually a good thing. Love it. So, yeah, boring day and all. Today I'm having a big hair day, you know. I just woke up this morning and thought, big! Just like, pow! Big! Big, 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 big! But it takes a lot of effort to keep it in a big state, reasonably tidy big state. Well, a big, messy, potentially rock-ish, don't know, scene maybe on the edge of it kind of a image, but either way, it looks better. Not on camera. The camera just makes it look kind of effed up, put it that way. And so yeah, basically, oh, something's popping up on the computer. It's probably some warning. Your computer is not protected. Oh my gosh! What am I gonna do? It's alright, defrag it. Takes everything out. So yeah, big hair day. Big hair day. It's a big hair day. Not bad hair day, a big hair day. Slight difference. Looks like a bad hair day, but it's a good hair day. I did it like this. I've had to walk around going. And God. Yes, baby. Big hair. It was kind of curly yesterday, so I've still got some of the curls. Slightly curly. It's like, ooh, curly hair. So, not much has happened. I've had a big hair day. Big hair day! Big! Boom! Pow! Hair day. And personally thinking that now is a good time to carry on MSN and basically to just generally probably watch Mitchell Davis or play Bring Me the Horizon, or both. Bring Me the Horizon through my headphone, Mitchell Davis on the laptop. Feel good. So yeah, I've had a boring big hair day, and hey, send me some comments or pictures or videos of your big hair days, good hair days, bad hair days, you know, your hair days in general. Just please, nothing dodgy, please, no way, nothing dodgy. So that's all. Bye.